Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're gonna try this out. Alright, this is gonna be my first warm-up set here. We're gonna start out with these 3 plates. We're gonna see what we get at. I haven't deadlifted in a week, so I'm hoping to hit some numbers. You know, last week I tried to hit a squat PR, and that shit, it didn't work out for the best. I ended up like, man, I jumped up from 385 to 405. I should have just went to 395, y'all. Alright, this is gonna be our first warm-up set with 3 plates here for this deadlifts. Let's see what we get going. Alright, come on. Let's go. Oh, that's a decent warm-up set there. I was feeling pretty good. Yeah, no, my back was feeling pretty damn strong today. So let's see what we get at, y'all. Set two, warm-up set. We're definitely gonna be hitting 4 at some point here, but again, every once in a while, I definitely like to warm up without a belt, just because get those core muscles fired up and shit. Because that's probably definitely one of my weak points, the core, like stability of it all. And I think that's most of us when it comes to all this shit. So it's like, I've really been working my ass off to get that shit down. You know, doing like the side bends and shit with some pretty heavy dumbbells. So I'm like, let's see how this one feels. Let's get this shit going.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay. That's all I need. All right, let's get this shit rolling, y'all. First 4 plate set. All right, I don't usually go for singles, but I think I'm gonna try out some singles today. All right, I'm gonna get some chalk going because I'm trying to get my grip going. All right, let's get this shit rolling, y'all. Come on, let's get it rolling. We're going for singles today, so I'm gonna try to go for 2 or 3 of these. Oh yeah, I'm good with that. Let's keep it going up. Let's keep it rolling up. Let's see what we got today. Last week, this is my PR. I think this is on Tuesday, so 1 week apart exactly. Let's see how we feeling. I only hit it for a single last time, but I'm gonna try to go for a single and then go up more if I'm feeling it. All right. So let's see how this shit's rolling, y'all. Come on. Oh, come on. Somebody is cracking me. Y'all know the drill. Oh. Yeah, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Felt fucking good. Let's see if we can go up like at 5-10 pounds on this bitch. All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. We're going for the PR here. All right, this is around. Let me do some math real quick. So 405 plus 25. All right, this is 455, I believe. So let's get this shit rolling. Let's see what we got. Man, I remember the first time I hit 4 plates for 1, and that shit was like, ooh, I felt like an animal. So I'm like, man, let's see how this shit rolling. All right, let's get it. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, yeah. Yo, that shit felt crazy, man. I need to check how the form was, but it was feeling pretty good and stable. So, let me review this shit. Damn. All right, y'all, I'm moving on to some back off sets. From 455 back down to 405. You know, that's one of the best ways to progress on this. This is where I see a lot of results, from going to heavy ass loads and then slowly going down after that. I'm just gonna do this and then maybe one more, or this might be my last set. I'm gonna see how my back and everything's feeling after this shit. Let's see how we moving. Come on. Oh, I need some more chalk, bro. That shit, I'm gonna rip my hands off. Come on. Oh man. Yo, the fucking glutes are fired up. I think we're calling it with that, y'all. Let's move it on. Let's keep it pushing. All right, y'all, moving on to some lat pull downs. Man, I'm not gonna lie, this is probably my favorite grip here. I mean, you'll see when I pull it down, but just because, I mean, I feel like it uses more the entirety of your back, not just your upper and like mid back and traps and shit, but this uses a whole lot of your back here. So one of my favorites, hands down, because you can handle a whole lot of weight. Let's do this shit. Shit. You're holding me down. All right, let's do it. Set 1. Let's see what we got. I can feel that right on the dot. Hey, damn, feeling great. Come on, keep it rolling. All right, I'm gonna be trying all the different angles here. Let's see how this next set goes. Set two, baby. Set two. That first one felt great. I was getting that mind muscle connection fired up. And let me say, y'all, mind muscle connection isn't everything. All it means is that you're very much targeting the muscle. Look, when it comes to mind muscle connection, I like to say it's mostly for when you're beginning to really just feel and realize how to hit muscles and target them in specific ways. But once you get to a certain point, you just start adding more fluidity to your movements, and you'll see what I mean. Like I'm not strictly going like looking for that mind muscle connection. All I'm doing is getting a move on here. All right, but let's get it. Set two. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, that was a good set two, yo. Good set two. Keep pushing. Set three in this motherfucker, man. This shit is feeling great right now. Let's keep it rolling, man. I'm even going heavier. Again, guys, when you're cutting, a big part of this is intensity. It's just, you got to be going hard if you're cutting. You really got to try to, especially if you're trying to build more muscle still, because this shit is not for the weak here. Let's go stupid on this bitch. Let's go. Oh, it's a great set three there, y'all. Let's keep it pushing. All right, let's do it, you guys. Last set of this shit. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we moving today. Let's see what we move. We're going to failure. We're going until I can't even nudge it no more, all right? Last set of these.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hell, that's what I call juicing it out, y'all. Fuck. Oh, man, I love getting to that point every once in a while. Not too often, but hey, that's how we do it. Once in a while. Come on. All right, y'all. Set two of these bitches. Come on. I'm just trying to. I really don't want to take my time with bicep curls. I just try to move along with these bitches because I mean they're cool and all, and having big biceps is all right, but I give more fucks about my back and getting that shit right. So let's get these going. Set two. Oh goddamn, every fucking time. Let's burn. All right, y'all. Last set of these whores. Let's keep it pushing. I'm ready to move on back to some type of row, maybe some rear dope flies. Um, Again, guys, the thing is, I do kind of have it set to where I know what I'm hitting or what days. Again, like I said, some of my back days I hit upper back more. Some of my back days I hit lower back more. So today's that a little bit more of a lower back, mid back focus. So we're gonna move on to some type of rows after this shit. So let's get it rolling. Fuck, bro. Oh yeah. Put these bitches away. Woo. All right. Set one of these rows, machine rows. Again, I like to. Man, actually, now that I'm talking about, I haven't done no dumbbell rows like that in a while, but I think I'm gonna shoot for that next back day here. So probably on it's Tuesday, so on Friday, I'm gonna try to shoot for like dumbbell rows or something with free weights because I tend to do a lot of machines and shit when it comes to rows. So I like to mix it up every here and there again, just to hit up all the different types of muscle fibers that you got on you. So let's get it. Set one right here. Let's see how this goes. Too late. Too late. I'm going way heavy on the next one here. Jumping up like 20, 30 pounds. That shit was, I got 15 to 20 of them bitches. I could have got 20 of them. Come on, let's go. All right, let's do it. Set two of these bitches. Again, that last one felt fucking great. So this set, I went up like 30 pounds on here, I believe. I got 190. Hold on. Now we're up 30 pounds. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got.
Drama.
Still got 10. We're going up another 20. Let's go. Let's get it. So we're moving smooth. All right. We went up yet again. Man, it's a fucking great day to be a back day here. All right. Let's keep this shit moving, y'all. Fucking. I think I'm gonna end it. I think I'm deciding to end it on this exercise just because first I got shit to do today, and it's I don't really feel like I need to do much more. You know what? Fuck. Here I go second guessing myself. I might add some more rear delt flies at the end here, but we'll see how this shit's going. Come on, set two. Oh yeah, that's a grind of a set right there. I think I'm going up one last time for my last set. All right, last set of these bitches, y'all. Let's get this shit rolling. This is the heaviest I've done on this machine before. I'm not gonna lie, 250. I mean, again, machine-wise, I don't really count the numbers. I just go as hard as I fucking can. So let's get this going. Let's see what we got. Oh, come on.
Purchase your tracks today.
Fuck, that's it. That's it. That's all I need. Oh, even my forearms are fucking burning on that one, y'all. Let's call that a wrap. All right, y'all. We just finished off with this punch shake. Just let's see what the hell we got going, man. I'm feeling great. That lift is fucking. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna damn near give that lift like a 9 out of 10, y'all. That's fucking. I just felt good. I still feel good now. My back's like. Usually, if I did something wrong, my back's already aching, and it didn't even ache through any of the other exercises like after the deadlift. So I'm like, we got that shit down, right? So let's get this punch shake going. Ugh. Take this back out. All right, y'all. That's all I got for us today. That shit, like I said, it was a killer of a workout. I hope y'all fucked with it, man. Y'all keep tapping the hell in. We'll keep making these fucking gains on this channel, y'all. That's what it's all about. No pain, no gain, baby. So, like, comment, share, and subscribe for your boy. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, all right? Thanks for tapping in one more time. Adios.